What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add shadow to your images using the Canva app. So once you're inside the Canva app, guys, you want to ensure that you have the image on your canvas here, and you want to ensure that you click on the image. Now once you click on the image, you'll have options that you can use to do many changes to that image. So at the bottom there, you want to scroll across and you want to look for effects. Click on effects and you will have the shadow options. You want to tap on shadow, and from here you have many options. So you can go ahead and you can add any shadow or outline to your images. So let's say I want to do a glow, I can do glow, and I can always change the color. If I want to do outline, I can do outline. And keep in mind that if you choose something, you can always tap on it and change the color to whatever you want. So if I want to change this to, for example, blue, I can go ahead and I can do something like that. And then once I'm done, just go ahead and click away and you will see that it's done. So you can add shadows to it. You can add whatever it is that you want to add, drop shadow, glow, whatever it is. You can always go ahead and select it, tap on it, and change the color to your liking. It's really up to you, guys. Very easy and very simple. Once you're done, click away. You can adjust it to your liking, stretch it out, do whatever it is, guys, that you need. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.